Hey guys, it's Dante here and welcome to the Creation Suite. Today we're going to go through a very quick tutorial on how to eliminate black bars, make your video full screen, whatever you want to call it. I've also got a quick tip at the end on people who want to do the same type of crop multiple times, just basically how to make this process even faster really. So yeah, let's get straight into it. The example video I decided to use was just the Wii menu. As you can see, there are black borders around here. We don't want that, we want to make it full screen, so let's show you how you do that. So right click on your video, go down to properties and untick maintain aspect ratio, hit OK, and then you want to go on this button here, event pan or crop. On older versions of Sony Vegas it'll probably be like here, or you can just right click on the video and hit video event pan and crop. However, whatever one you press, they're all exactly the same. So yeah, and then all you want to do, you want to make sure there's some boxes down the side here, i.e. lock aspect ratio, and there's another one as well, size about center, I think is the other one as well. Make sure these boxes are not ticked, okay? So they're not ticked like that, not, you know what I mean. So yeah, you want to drag the video like so, and as you can see in the preview, the video is starting to go full screen like that. So you just want to do that for all four sides. There you go. And like so. Sorry, I was a bit slow doing that. But yeah, so that's how you do it. Now your video is nice and full screen. All you want to do is come out of that and you are done. Quick tip as well, when you're rendering the video, make sure your dimensions when you render it are exactly the same as your project settings. If you set the dimensions slightly different, it could bring out some black bars, okay? Just because you've set the video size a bit differently. So yeah, ideally please do keep the dimensions the same, otherwise black bars may still come into it. But if you do keep it the same, then yeah, your video will be nice and full screen. A little tip, so once you've done this, if you had lots of video clips where you needed to crop it like this, you can click on this here, this preset, call it a preset. So I'm just going to call it Wii for Nintendo Wii, and I'm going to hit save preset like so. And so every time I go into this with a new clip, I'll be able to select Wii, and it will go straight to the crop settings that we just used for this clip here, and it just makes it very useful. It speeds things up pretty nicely. So I hope this video was useful. Do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you want to see more tutorials, and thank you very much.